Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you guys real quick my stretch and mobility routine that you could do before a leg day, on an active recovery day, or any time that you just feel tense. So let's just get right into it. It's going to be mostly upper body, but a little bit of upper body as well. So first things first, I'm going to walk my hands down into a high plank. I'm going to push my butt back to the sky. This is a downward dog. Now I'm going to come back to center. Feet together. I'm gonna bend one knee and straighten the other one at the same time to really stretch out those calves and the back of my knees. From here, I'm gonna get back into a high plank, rock my body forward, and land gracefully on the floor. Hands on the floor. I'm gonna reach up for a greater stretch, and I'm gonna go ahead and look side to side like a Cobra pose. From here, I'm gonna come on down, toes into the floor, come on back into a child's pose. Spread the knees, this way you can really feel a greater stretch in your hips and your lats. Okay, now I'm in a tabletop. I'm going to dig my toes into the floor, push myself back again, left leg in front of the left hand. Going to do a few hip circles, get everything nice and open. For those of you who work a job that you have to sit a lot, this is really, really good for your hips. Now, I'm gonna lift my left hand in the air, deep breath in through the nose, exhale through the mouth and twist, really exaggerating the breaths. In through the nose, exhale and twist. And 3, up, exhale. From here, drop that back knee, walk your hands up a bit, go ahead and straighten out that leg. This is gonna stretch the hamstrings, it's gonna hurt a bit, but go ahead and stretch down, hold, and pop back up into a lunge. You'll feel the stretch on the other hip. And drop back down, and into a lunge. We're gonna do this quite a few times. I'll say 2 more. This is a really great dynamic stretch before a workout as well, because I'm moving back and forth. Okay, great. So we're gonna go ahead, dig that toe in the floor, knee up, switch sides. Right leg by right hand, hip circles, open up that hip, right hand in the air, deep breath in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth and twist. Again, 2. And twist. And 3. Perfect. Walk your hands over, drop that back knee. Go ahead and straighten out that right leg. Head to the knee, stretch out that hamstring, and slowly make your way up into a lunge, really stretching that other side. Back down, and forward. Keep breathing, 2 more times. And 1. Okay, now that I'm done here, I'm going to get into a tabletop again. I'm gonna go ahead and thread the needle, left arm underneath. Right arm comes all the way back, wrap it around if you're flexible, and just hold. Okay, great. Switch sides. Threading the needle, wrapping that arm around the back, tuck, and hold. Okay, back up to a tabletop. 1 more stretch back, child's pose. Deep breath in through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Dig your toes into the floor. Back up to a downward dog. Rock forward, we're gonna walk our hands up. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, bend down. Deep inhale. And that's it. Try this out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I know you're gonna love it. And subscribe for more workouts, tips, and stretches.